What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So if you guys saw the last video, you guys would know we just got a carbon fiber front lip for the Lexus RCF. Today's video, we got more carbon fiber goodies. And we actually have it in this box right here. Carbon fiber lips in the original box. More carbon fiber goodies. And yes, this is for my Lexus RCF as well. So pretty excited, slowly stashing up on parts for the RCF build. Alright, so let's show you guys what we have here. There's two pieces. This is the first piece. And here's the second piece. Exactly the same. And if you guys don't know what this is, let me explain. Okay, so what these pieces are, this goes on the exterior of the car. Right now it's kind of hard to show you guys because we don't have the car here. It's actually raining outside and has been raining pretty bad the last few days. So trying to wait for a nice sunny day before I install these carbon bits. But this goes on the rear bumper. Not a great example, but it pretty much goes on the rear bumper extension just like that. So nice carbon fiber piece. Carbon fiber weave all around. Yeah, you guys know I love my carbon goodies. Like I said, right now you might not know what this is, but this goes on the rear bumper. It pretty much goes on each side, like right here, and one on the other side. But don't worry, we'll be having a full installation video. I just figured I would make a video, quite like an unboxing video, to show you guys what we have. I'm really excited for the RCF build just because it is my daily driver. It is the car I drive the most out of all my cars. I haven't been showing it much just because I haven't put more parts. So we have the front lip, we have this rear, I guess you can call this rear bumper piece. I would like to get some side skirts, carbon side skirts, haven't got it yet. We do have some wheels, some raised G25 wheels. We don't have tires yet, so I think the RCF build is slowly but surely coming together. Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to take myself, take it easy and slow down on this process, enjoy the car as is, and I just wanted a nice clean daily driver. Besides that, we also are focusing on building the S2000 this year. The goal is to take it to Weekfest. Quite a few other stuff I do want to do to the car. The latest thing we had done was the big brake kit from Spoon. Looks so good with the Spoon wheels. And then you guys already know this Vichy Lancer is just collecting dust in the garage. I'm still waiting on body work to be done to paint the front bumper. Also do want to get some custom work done over on one side. I guess it doesn't, fitment's not the best, so I do want to get maybe my front fenders to be molded a little bit wider. But yeah, we do need some body work on the Lancer. So I'm really excited. We do have parts slowly but surely stashed away here in the garage for the RCF build. So like I said, hope you guys like it. Stay tuned for the front lip install, and then we'll have the carbon rear piece install separately. For the S2000, we do have a power acoustic single DIN radio player, so that will be on a future installation video as well. I'm waiting on my power harness right now, so that way it'll be plug and play, no wire splicing needed. So yeah, super simple video. Hope you guys like it. Again, if you guys stay to the end, leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.